Welcome to 1373 Broadway. This is a top floor rent control apartment that's been basically completely rebuilt from head to toe, and it has 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. We're looking at the main room, which features the all-new kitchen. It's got slab marble accented counters, sink with retractable faucet, a stainless LG dishwasher, an LG side-by-side refrigerator with a bottom drawer freezer, and an LG gas range with hood. Some nice gray cabinets with modern hardware. Beautiful backsplash around the stove. Then you have a counter you can sit at and some pendant lighting. Plus there's recessed lighting. The living room. There's a view. Light new hardwood floors throughout. All sorts of fancy lighting. The first of the 5 bedrooms is in front here. And it looks up towards Russian Hill. Mirrored closet. It's a nice deep closet. Good sized bedroom. All new systems include the electric, central heating. This is the front door. And outside there's a skylight. The second bedroom. Sort of an odd little closet. A nice big window. Onward. There are 3 all-new full baths done with natural stone tile. Fancy vanities. This one has a tiled stall shower. Right next door is bigger bath number 2. There's even more tile. Nice vanity, nice mirror. And right next to it, bath number 3. A little bit different, but much the same as bath number 2. Room number 3 is quite large. Big window. Double closet with mirrored doors. Room number 4, pretty big, and it looks out onto a verdant landscaped rear yard area. Seems there's a little pagoda over there. And it also has the double mirror door closet. And the final room, number 5. Another double closet. Big window. Verdant outlook. If you're interested in leasing this great top floor rent control flat, again 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, virtually all new, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.